So I just asked programming with my buddy Al. I call him Al, but you can call him ChatGPT if you want. See, I asked him a bunch of code lines, blah, blah, blah. If you're getting started, you would need ChatGPT, but you also need PY coding. That stands for Python coding. And I wanted to know the time, and then I just did input time, t, blah, 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 etc. So I just press run. You'll find current time Wednesday, August 28, 1628, 2024. So now just do project-based learning GitHub. After you search that, you'll see the screen that has a cat. Just click on it. You'll find this. So first of all, it will in project-based learning. So you'll see there's C++, there is PHP, there is R, there is Ruby, there's Python. Right now I'm looking for Python. Where is Python? Where is Python? Where's Python? Is there Python in here? Yes, I think so. Where's the Python? Guys, this might take me a while. We have to go back up. So guys, now just restarting. Just press, where is the Python? Python here. When you press it, will be written web scripting. So right now I am interested in bots. Bots over how to make a Reddit bot. It will just show you, but if you want, you can just watch the YouTube video. Basically, I was watching.
I'm gonna call in the main code bot login.
So, and I forgot to mention something in the last video, that you can watch the video that GitHub gives you for making bots, and you wonder what's the purpose of Python coding, blah blah blah, etc. Basically, everything like the mobiles you're using now has coding, and you might not have known that. So guys, I want to tell you, if you want to make bots, coding is very important. It's the brain. Like, I'm trying to create an AI bot. Since I don't have parts to make a real robot as Arduino Uno, I can just make a chatbot. And so, if I'm busy and someone wants to talk with me, and they're super excited to meet me, so the chatbot will tell them about me. I just need to add the code of what my name is and every question they'll ask, or I can just connect them to Google. So, guys, I also want to tell you, you can follow step by step